Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Before we get started, like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. We are again at Maruti Suzuki Bhandari. Today is a grand delivery day of the all-new Swift, guys. In total, 50 Swifts are being delivered today. That's right, you heard it right. 50 Swifts are being delivered today in this showroom. It's a very grand day for this particular showroom. The delivery experience will be shared with you guys as well. And if we turn around, you can see these cars are already here. 10 cars in total, as you can see. This is the VXI variant over here. Another VXI over there. This is the ZXI over here. I mean, you can see the Swift in all different variants and all different colors over here. So it really is a grand day. 50 cars are being delivered in one day and it's being delivered in Bhandari, Newtown, Kolkata. It's not only Arena, it has Nexa as well. And they do have a service center attached in the very same building. So convenience is something Bhandari Motors believes in. So you don't have to travel far. You can come to the showroom, service your car, buy your new car, and it's that easy, guys. So 50 cars का delivery मैंने एक दिन में तो कभी नहीं देखा है. This is the first time I will be experiencing it, and I want you guys to experience it with me. So let's get inside. There are a lot of things going on, lucky draws, competitions, so a lot of things to cover. And if you're interested in buying a Maruti Suzuki vehicle, you can definitely come here to Bhandari Motors and book your car right away. I will see you all soon. Let's get inside straight away.
When you get more power, you will go fast. So you will overtake. In the beginning, lot of vehicles which will be set in the back. Agent Suzuki Swift which is getting launched.
guys, the main event is about to start. They're going to flag off the cars right now, as you can see. So guys, what an event organized by Bhandari Automobiles. Kudos to the staff guys, because delivering 50 new cars is not easy. And this was definitely a grand delivery day, because the all new Swift have been starting to hit the roads, and Bhandari is one of the showrooms that has delivered 50 cars in a day guys, which is not a joke. So kudos to the staff, kudos to everyone at Bhandari. Well done. And of course, the event was mind-blowing as well. We had lots of games, we had a lucky draw, so we had an active participation in these events as well, in the games as well. So I really enjoyed myself. Did you guys enjoy the video or not? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more such videos, more such events, if you want me to cover, do let me know that as well, and I'll do my best to cover such events. And if you are planning on buying a new Maruti Suzuki Swift or any Maruti car for that matter, you can come to Bhandari Automobiles. It has Nexa and Arena in the same building, so you will be spoiled for choice. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, Top Rebels. Bye bye.